Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So the update on Baba Ijesha's allegation case with Princess and a minor in question. A child forensic interview expert, Mrs. IREKE on Tuesday narrated before an Ikeja special offense court how Nollywood actor Olarewaju James, also known as Baba Ijesha, allegedly groomed and defiled a minor whose name was withheld. Ajayi Kayode is the executive director of the CCYA Foundation, a non-governmental organization founded to prevent child sexual abuse and provide emergency intervention for children. Testifying as the third prosecutor witness, Ajayi Kayode told the court that she was a certified child forensic interview specialist. She said she had participated in over 25 child forensic interviews, led in evidence by Mrs. Olayinka Adeyemi, Lagos State Director of Public Prosecution (DPP). Ajayi Kayode said that the alleged victim was relaxed, cooperative, and could recall events when she was being interviewed. The clinical presentation of child abuse was quite evident. The perpetrator engaged the child in sexual activities when she was 7 years old on 2 occasions. On the 19th of April 2021, that was when the Obraha went up on social media. He sexually harassed her, touching her body. He told her, "I touched you some years back. You are so grown, so developed. Do you have a boyfriend? We have some unfinished business." These are the clinical presentation of child sexual abuse. These are the dynamics of child sexual abuse and the modus operandi of perpetrators: inculcation of secrecy, intimidation, threat, or coercion. She said. That is Kayode herself saying this. The experts noted that child abuse involved only the victim and the perpetrator, adding that because of her or her vulnerability, the child might not be able to comprehend the magnitude of the offense. Ajayi Kayode said that after the interview, she drafted a forensic interview report. A copy of the report was presented to the court by the prosecutor as evidence. It was marked as Exhibit G. The witness also said that the forensic interview was digitally recorded. Flash drives containing the digital forensic interview of the minor was also tendered as evidence by the prosecution and was marked Exhibit H and H1. Kayode said, and I quote, "My conclusion is that she narrated the whole truth. She was tenacious and she was bold and relaxed," the expert said. Start of proceeding, the defense had sought an adjournment due to the absence of lead counsel Mr. Babatunde Ogala, son, and Mr. Dada Awoshika, who is also a son. A member of the defense team, Mr. Eni Adeyemi, said that Ogala, in a letter dated September 27, has asked for an adjournment for proceeding and because would be unavoidably absent. However, the DPP opposed the request for an adjournment. Consequently, Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo ordered that the trial should proceed with the third prosecution witness, Ajayi Kayode, giving evidence. The judge adjourned the case to October 20th for cross-examination of the witness. Actress and comedian Idamilola Adekoya, alias Princess, the foster mother of the minor, and Nollywood actor Yabo Ojo were present in court during Tuesday's proceeding. This is the current situation of Baba Ijesha's case in the court, as he was alleged for defiling a minor who is in custody of Princess. Forensic results has proven that Baba Ijesha is guilty for defiling the child, but the final judgment is yet to be pronounced over this matter. That Yabo Ojo has caught so much staring on Instagram and other social media platforms over the case of Baba Ijesha, and so many fans, followers, colleagues have also reacted concerning this particular case, and recalling that Nollywood actor stirred reaction for snubbing journalists after some court hearing that had happened earlier over allegations of Baba Ijesha defiling a minor. Yabo Ojo was among those present in court as Princess narrates the alleged child molestation against the actor before Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo. A video shared by Goldmine TV captured Yabo Ojo speaking with some lawyers within the court premises after the case was adjourned. While leaving the court premises, some journalists approached the actress for an interview, but she snubbed them and walked away. Now, recalling that Yabo has been repeatedly dragged and criticized for supporting Princess to ensure that justice is served in the ongoing rape case. Reacting to the video, some social media uploaded her for snubbing the journalist and that Yabo Ojo is smart and intelligent. Also recalling in April when the whole matter started off and boomeranged, Yabo Ojo didn't take it lightly with anyone who is in support of whatever Baba Ijesha did As long as he was found and caught in the very act, she assumed and concluded that Baba Ijesha had been guilty from the onset. This brought about so many brouhaha between Yabo Ojo, Yomi Fabi, Princess, and so many other Tampan Associate members, which also led to a suspension in Tampan Association as well. The genesis of all of this was when the mother of the victim learned that and suspected that her daughter was being sexually abused. She installed the CCTV camera to uncover the perpetrator. The victim's mother monitored the situation in her home on her phone, and to her dismay, she saw Omiyinka allegedly conducting himself in a suspicious manner around her daughter. The thespian allegedly took the victim away from the sitting room into the kitchen where there was no CCTV installed, and the mother, who rushed back home upon discovery, allegedly caught Omiyinka defiling her daughter in the kitchen. The victim's mother was said to have been inconsolable after the discovery. The state police public relations officer Muyiwa Adejobi said in a statement on Thursday that Omiyinka was arrested after a case of defilement was reported against him, adding that the preliminary investigation revealed that he had been sexually assaulting the 14-year-old victim since she was 7. He stated that Omiyinka confessed to the crime, adding that the case had been transferred to the Gender Unit of State Criminal Investigation and Intelligence Department, Banti, Yaba, for proper investigation. Adejobi said, I quote, "The Lagos State Police Command has arrested a popular Nollywood actor, Olanrewaju Omiyinka, aka Baba Ijesha, 48, for defiling a minor. The case of defilement was reported on April 19, 2021 by one Princess Adekola Adekoya at the Sabo Police Station and was transferred to the Gender Unit of the SCIID, Banti, Yaba, for proper investigation. Based on preliminary findings, the suspect started sexually assaulting the victim, 14, since she was 7 years old. The suspected confessed to the crime and was also captured by a CCTV camera in the house of the victim's mother. The State Commissioner of Police, Akim Odumeso, has ordered proper investigation as he promised to do justice to the matter. Well, this brings us to the most recent investigation result on Baba Ijesha's case, presently showing and confirming that Baba Ijesha actually defiled the child with a car key before penetration, and this has proven in a forensic result presented before the court. Currently, Baba Ijesha's main lawyers were absent at today's hearing in court. Child expert has testified in sexual assault trial of the Nollywood actor Baba Ijesha. The case is before Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo of the Lagos State Special Offence Court in Ikeja. At the resumption of the hearing on Tuesday, the two-led defense counsel, Baba Tunde Ogala and Dada Awoshika, were absent. Both senior advocates of Nigeria had written to the court asking for an adjournment on account of being indisposed and out of the country, but the director of the public prosecution representing the state, Olayinka Adeyemi, opposed the application for adjournment made through a junior defense counsel on the ground that the date of the sitting had been communicated to all counsels since August 19. So why are they absent today, which is September 28? The judge ruled that the case must continue and ordered the next witness to open her testimony. The executive director of the CC Yaya Foundation told the court that she led the child forensic interview team that spoke with the alleged victim of Baba Ijesha consecutive sexual assault. She added that the 14-year-old child, which name was withheld, was bold, relaxed, and gave a free call of the events in question. The witness also said the description of the defendant from the account of the child deflected the true dynamics of a child abuse, which include intimidation, secrecy, threat, and coercion, as mentioned earlier. She tendered the report of the interview of a flash drive to the section, which will be viewed at the next hearing slated for October 2021. The perpetrator was said to have defiled the young child with a car key. Baba Ijesha pleaded not guilty to the 6-count charge, including alleged sexual assault by penetration of a then 7-year-old with his car key between 2013 and 2014, and indecent treatment of a child. Well, guys, there you have it on Baba Ijesha's most recent updates on his alleged case for defiling a minor. Let's hear your opinion on this. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.